Here's problem number 19. We're asked to find out the limit of x to the k over e to the x as x goes to infinity. Let's think about this as a L'Hopital problem. Let's note that this limit as x over k e to the x. When I apply this limit, I'm going to get infinity over infinity. This is indeterminate in the form of infinity over infinity. So let me apply L'Hopital's rule. The limit as x approaches infinity, let's see, if I take the derivative, I get kx, k minus 1 over, e to the x. And I note that this is still in the form infinity over infinity. And while that's true, it's good to know that we could apply L'Hopital's again. And when we do that, we may say, well, I don't know where this whole thing ends. Well, what happens is that eventually, with k being a positive integer, that this thing is eventually going to go down to 0, and the x term is going to go away, and the only thing you're going to have left is the e to the x on the bottom. If that's the case, eventually this goes down to 0. So that's one way to do the problem. Now another way to look at the problem is look at e to the x, and you think about x to the kth, and you have to say to yourself, even if k is really big, e to the x gets big so much faster that in a battle it wins, drawing the denominator, making the denominator larger than the numerator, and drawing that limit down to 0. So there's an intuitive way to look at the problem as well.